Mirrorless cameras are a relatively new type of digital camera that has gained popularity in recent years. Unlike traditional DSLR cameras, which use a mirror to reflect the light from the lens into the viewfinder, mirrorless cameras use an electronic viewfinder or display to preview and capture images. This design allows for a smaller form factor, lighter weight, and other benefits such as faster autofocus and continuous shooting speeds. In this video, we break down the 5 best mirrorless cameras in the market. You can find the purchase link all over the products mentioned in this video down in the description below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Number 1, Sony Alpha 7R IV. The Sony Alpha 7R IV's high-res sensor makes it a prime candidate for landscapes, portraiture, and other photographic pursuits that often require lots of detail. With fast burst shooting at full resolution, top-notch high ISO performance, swift AF with excellent coverage across almost the entire sensor, real-time IAF tracking, 4K 30 video, powerful in-body image stabilization and more, the Sony A7R Mark IV is way more versatile than one might think from specs alone. The Sony A7R Mark IV looks similar to the previous model, offering the same basic design and control layout. The hand grip is fuller and deeper and offers more comfortable contouring. A number of the buttons and the joystick control are slightly larger, making them easier to press. It also gains a 16-shot high-resolution mode that can be used to generate 240MP images of static scenes. The touchscreen's responsiveness is noticeably better, though you still can't navigate menus or operate the on-screen function menu by touch. It's only for touch control of the AF point. Number 2, Fujifilm X-T4. The Fujifilm X-T4 is among the best and most well-rounded APS-C cameras on the market. The differences in image quality and low-light performance are marginal in practice if you're a pro or enthusiast. An APS-C model like the X-T4 still offers excellent performance but in a more portable package and at a more affordable price, especially when you start to factor in the size and cost of lenses. This not only gives you a high-quality monitor to frame with, but also provides quick and simple controls when you need them most. This camera is also just a blast to shoot with. That's partly due to its dedicated exposure dials, which give manual shooters more hands-on control. Plus, it has a weather-sealed body that's relatively compact, so you'll be more likely to want to take it with you on the go. Add excellent in-body image stabilization and a solid autofocus system on top of excellent video specs, including internal 10-bit 4K up to 60 frames per second. You've got a well-rounded camera that can do almost everything you need. Number 3, Nikon Z50. The Nikon Z50 comes with a kit lens at a relatively affordable price, and this model has a lot to offer for both new and more advanced users looking for a crop sensor camera. The 16 to 50mm VR lens kit pairs the small but mighty Z50 with the smallest Nikon DX lens ever. The Nikkor Z DX 16 to 50mm f/3.5-6.3 VR lens offers a versatile zoom range of 16 to 50mm, with vibration reduction image stabilization built into the lens, and quiet operation, making it ideal for video as well as still images. While its sensor has a lower resolution, you'll still get great results from this camera, and it's well suited to low-light shooting. The Z50 stands out because of its handling. It isn't the most compact camera for something more portable, though its ergonomics leaves something to be desired. The Z50, however, feels great in hand, and Nikon's intuitive user interface and ergonomics are among the best. Number 4, Canon EOS R6. The Canon EOS R6 features the same base image sensor and image processor as the EOS 1D X Mark III, enabling a native ISO range of 100 to 102/400. With high-speed continuous shooting of up to 12 frames per second with the mechanical shutter and up to 20 frames per second with an electronic silent shutter, the EOS R6 can keep up with just about any fast-moving subject. They are combined with the new dual-pixel CMOS AF2 system with Approximate. With 100% frame coverage and 1053 automatic AF zones, the EOS R6 will confidently follow elusive subjects at 20 frames per second for sharp images. Tracking subjects is easy and intuitive with the ability to track people using eye, face, and head detection AF, or when tracking the whole body, face or eye of cats, dogs, or birds with animal detection AF. With the new 5-axis in-body image stabilizer, up to 8 stops of shake correction is possible with both non-stabilized and optically image-stabilized lenses. Number 5, Sony Alpha 7 IV. The Sony Alpha 7 IV is equipped with a highly capable 33-megapixel sensor. It has a few advantages for video work, like unlimited recording times and better heat management, making it more well-rounded. You also get Sony's reliably accurate autofocus and a revamped menu with touch navigation, making it much more usable than previous iterations. While the clinical, boxy design doesn't feel as good in the hand and may lack a bit of it, it's a sturdy, weather-sealed camera with a high-res electronic viewfinder. Burst shooting is a bit disappointing at just 6 FPS when shooting uncompressed RAW, especially for a camera of its caliber, but otherwise, its flaws are few and far between. The vast selection of native and third-party lenses for Sony's E-mount makes the Alpha 7 IV hard to beat among enthusiast mirrorless options. Thanks for watching this video. Please remember to leave a like and subscribe to our channel to see more videos like this in the future. And if you have any questions related to the products we listed here, leave a comment down below and I will get back to you as soon as I can.